Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to enter invoice in Oracle Cloud. This is the Oracle main page of username and ID. We have to enter the username and the password and, we have to sign, and then we have to sign in. This is the main springboard of Oracle Cloud. We have different rules over here. And considering we have to enter the invoice in Payables, so we have to click on Payable role. We have to click on Invoice button. This is the main interface of Invoice Workbench, and this is and we can see different info tiles over here. It will help the user in identifying the recent invoices, the invoices on hold, invoices pending on approval, prepaid invoices, and dues. And these are the recent invoices. We can click on the info tile to see the relevant results, just like this, just by clicking on it. Okay, to create invoice, we have to enter on task list. This is the task list button, create invoice. Business unit, select the relevant business unit. In our case, we have real head office. You have to select the supplier, enter supplier number or name, click OK. Supplier site will be automatically defaulted in case there is only one site. If uh, if there are more than one sites, we have to select the relevant site according to the list of value. We will enter the invoice number, enter amount. This is the due date of invoice, payment term. Term date is the date where your payment term will start. We can click on show more to see more header information. This is the accounting information. We have an accounting tab. We can see the accounting date. This is basically the GL date, liability account in which the supplier will be credited, tax information, and additional information for the DFFs, header level DFFs. So next step, lines. We click on lines, enter amount, select a distribution set. In case you have made a distribution set, in case you do not have a distribution set, you can add the distribution manually. You have to select. I have already selected the distribution accounts. You can see, otherwise you can select it accordingly from the list of values of the segments. So we have headers and lines equals. So we can see a green tick button over here. We can validate the invoice. And yes, we're good to go. Invoice has been entered.